Hello CSN students. We're going to take a look at establishing the ePortfolio for your education classes. It starts by doing a search for Google Sites, and you'll load the Google Sites page, and you'll see that it's asking you to create a new website. So we'll use the plus sign in the bottom to create a new site. First thing we want to do is probably give that a title, and I'm just going to use something generic here and just use my first name and portfolio. And now we want to actually get to the site, and I'm going to start with putting my full name in this section, and it's going to give you an option to add or brand with a logo. The best thing to do for this situation is go to the upload button, choose the CSN logo since this is a CSN site, open it up, and you'll see it places the logo right on your website. You can change the background color, and it'll try to first match the colors that are in your logo. We'll leave it right there. Then on the title of that page, we can change that and do everything that we possibly could do with a word processor by changing the size of the text. We can stretch it out and place it wherever we want in this banner. Use some of the other typical word processing functions like bolding the text, using italics, and underline. We can even change the color of the text if we'd like. And then one of the things that this portion of the software will allow you to do is type in the name of your site, and then you can kind of concentrate on the way it's going to look or appear to those who are watching it. You can change the image that's appearing in the background. You can change the header size, so if you wanted a large banner at the top, or a full cover page, or even just the title only, you could do that, but we'll stick with the regular default, which is the banner page. And then if you go over to the right, under Themes, you have a choice of a whole bunch of different ways that this will look. You can change the color of the current theme. You can choose other themes that are available to you and change those colors if you'd like. There's a number of those available to you, and like I said, you can change the picture behind it if you'd like. So that's the basics of setting up the original portfolio that you're going to need for the education department at CSN.